you looking for your first home, or maybe you're looking for an investment property? I have the opportunity for you. Welcome to 1231 Tivoli Lane, number 45. I'm Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I want to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a look around. Welcome to this wonderful home. As you can tell when you step through that front door, this home is light and bright. We've got ample living space right here. Over here is the dining area, and then of course we've got the kitchen, which is open to the living space and is great for entertaining. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 1231 Tivoli Lane, number 45, Simi Valley 93065. This is a lower level unit with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 733 square feet of living space. This community features 2 community pools with spas. For more information or a private tour, feel free to give me a call. The number is 805-660-8219. I'm never too busy to take your call. Hashtag Larry Watson Homes. Find me everywhere on the internet. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.